Hello my friends, welcome to another video from my channel from the young managers, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to make a very promising and very unique CV using a different application or format, and that is Excel or Excel sheet. This will be a little strange because usually we are using Words, we are using Canvas and others for making a CV, but here, as I said, we are going to use Excel sheet, and as you see, this is one page, and this is very promising, as I said. Since I'm applying to any position, I'm getting a lot of good response, and when I'm sharing this with the hiring managers, they are giving very good feedback about this. So then I thought I have to share it with more people. Maybe I can help them by this way to land on your dream job. So let's start with the steps on how to make a very promising CV using the Excel sheet. But as you see, this is a normal CV. Here I have an introduction about myself, who I am, some very brief detail, and then I have a question that why I will be awesome for your team, and then I say something about myself. For example, I'm educated, I'm experienced, and I have work in recruitment and monitoring and so on. And then at the end I say I can write proposals, reports, and emails. So that everyone should do that and be able to make, but the main point is how to make professional ones. So here I talk about my education, and then I go to my work experience, and then in this section about my skills and my language proficiencies, and now I have to Deutsch. I have already added. So in here I have written some brief information or some range of my courses that I have participated, and then my interests, and at the end references. So this is one page, and in one page you can pour all the required information. So if you put this one paper in front of the hiring manager or HR professional who is reviewing your application, they will get all the necessary information from you. So suppose you are pouring yourself in one page. So now we will go to the first step on how to do it. As you see, I have opened one Excel sheet, and I have already made my CV here. I have already completed that. So, but here I'm going to show you how to do it. So as we see here, I have colored it with black, and then on the top I have written my CV, and then here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then here I make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 on 11, and then I select it here, and then here, then I merge it, and then rest of thing here also I have 3 rows. I will not do anything with that. So here we can see that I have to make it black, and then here also I have to make it black, and on the top of here I have to write Ahmad Navid Zahid CV. And the reason you are not seeing it because I have to change the color of the font into white, and then you will see white on the black but not black on the black. And then here I write date of. Okay, so let me just change the font colors into white so that we are able to, oh no, but here is different. I make it here black, and then here I have to make it font. I make it white, so I write date of birth. I'm making this video sitting in my kitchen because I do not have enough rooms. so there are maybe I'm not comfortable with the way I have it. Okay, date of birth, and then my marital status. Okay, then you can work on then current address. Okay, here then I can play it how to write my. Okay, I can write July 11, right in July 1990. Yeah, here you can see it's already matching the same here. So suppose if I write my email, then I go here and then I write email. Okay, then I write my email, something like this. I'm not writing it fully, and then my phone number, for example, if I want to write my phone number, then I in front of that, then I write phone number or anything. Okay, suppose this is my phone number. Then I have why I will be awesome for your team, and here I have to first make it a little different, and then we have something here like a text explaining that why you are good for this team, or why you are applying for this role, or what makes you unique. The question that we usually get from the interviewer at the interview time. So here I have written why I will be awesome for your team, and then I talk something about my skills and my motivation. So here we merge it, and then it is something like a text. Okay, from here we make the setting, it should be on the top or here, and then we see it is here, and then I should say it is on the top, and then I can color it. Okay, if you don't like this color, so you can make it, you can choose this color, you can choose this color, you can choose this color, but for me this color seemed a little professional in this format. So here why I am awesome for this role. Okay, or why I am awesome for your team. You have to have something, and you have to have a full confidence to use these words, or at least if not, if you want to go with more humor, then can you say why I am good for your team. So here you write something about you. For example, we talk about your education, your qualification, and then here we take okay, this outfit, enter, and then it falls down. So here I say I am an educated person graduated from, you name something, for example, from Harvard University, and I have done my master in public relation. Okay, so if you are applying for a job in financial sector, you can maybe write I have done my master in business administration. If you are applying for IT, then you have to tell your own story, and that is different for every person. So here you can say then about your experiences. I have 10 years experience, okay, working as, and then you can write anything. So here I have said I have experience in recruitment, HR, finance, okay, administration, monitoring, evaluation, and I have a range of experiences, so I write all of them, and then some scales. I can do this, I can do that. I am a good, for example, public speaker, and maybe you can write that, or maybe you can say I write very good detailed else reports and anything. And then here I have talked about my education. This is a chronological CV, and it's based on the date. For example, my educations, I have 2 bachelor degrees. I have written the latest, and then the first one. So here simply you can write my education, and then you can say the year 2010 up to 2000, for example, 13, or any date. You can say I have a bachelor. You can make a capital degree at finance from, for example, Kabul University, and then yours. So if you have a master, you can write with master, and then bachelor, then high school. I don't have high school, and then I have written here my work experience or and volunteer. Okay, here I write my work experience or my work experiences. Okay, and then I here, that's very easy. Then I make one row here, and then I put more 2 rows. Then I merge it here, and then I have right in the year. So I copy paste it because it should not take a lot of time for you. And I just give you one idea. Then you can work in detail with yourself. You can open, and then the same here. So suppose we write here, and then okay, we have already that here. So okay, you see it's the same, and then here we have scales. Okay, how I have made this, we see here. Okay, you select this 3, or even if you want, you can select these 4 rows and then merge it, and then you can open the same one box here, then merge it, and then here. Okay, here we want to remove this side. Okay, I don't know where is erase border here. Okay, and then again I think we should go to here also. Here we go, the line style, this should be big here, and then we fill it with the same color, and then I write about my scales. So then I have some leadership and management skills, programs, yeah, and operation management, procurement management, monitoring, evaluation, report and proposal writing, teaching, computer, internet, exploring, etc. And I'm sure that is unique from one to one. So here you can write all of them, and then the same you have the language, which has copy and paste it. Okay, this is now here we merge it, then it should be like this. And the same we have to mention some courses and trainings. So here I will show you how to do that. Here we copy it, then I have made a number for it. Okay, and here I write courses and trainings. Okay, you can see here, and here this is these texts are under here. So in order to save it, we will just copy this, and then here I want to paste a little bit. Here we have a space, Okay, we have space here. So as we see here, for everything is in their own place. Then we adjust sizes. All of them should be 11. Okay, 11, and then we will remove this part because it should come in one page, and then also these two, this should be removed because that is extra. Okay, here we see that it is coming under here work experience, and then we have to make bold here, and also I think that should be 40 in, and this is also 11. Okay, then we have to make it 14 to become more visible in the same education. It should be bold and 14. Okay, when you see something wrong here, you can fix it from here. So here I have said everything about me, some brief personal information about me, then something why I am interested to this job, and then my education, my working experiences, my skills, my language ability, and then the courses and the trainings that I have invested on myself for my previous organization I have invested on me, and then some interest. Okay. For example, I'm committed to sustainability development goals. I work voluntarily, and then my education promotion, reading, at least 5 books a month. It was once upon a time, but now not. Okay, so here we have done everything. Okay, when this is out of this, okay, actually that's not a problem, or maybe we can cut it here and fix it a little bit here. Oh, it's giving a warning sign. Okay, here references. Again, maybe I can merge it. I can merge, and then references. Also, I fix it here so that the reason that I'm here is because I like to give you some hints that you can use all of these lines. So this is just one idea, then you can go ahead with yourself. For example, here there is a line, we'll remove that line. So here we see that how we can, here we will erase. If something is here, we will erase it. Yes, it seems there is something. Yes, okay, so we will see that everything is the same as it is, and then when it is completed, then we will go. Okay, so we remove this part, and of course your photo, you can paste your photo here, or maybe you have another professional photos. It's my photo. I'm comfortable with this because it was taken in my office. So here we go, and then we save it somewhere. So for example, we save it in desktop, and then write it Navid. Okay, Sahib CV. Okay, maybe some name, then we can say 2023, and then here we save it as PDF. Okay, this is in Excel. We should not send it in Excel. It's not giving a good impression. Here we say Ahmad Navid Zahid CV 2023, and then in the document we save it in the document. So as you see, this is one page, but here if it is 2 pages, you can again maybe your trainings, everything is different. So here you can make some adjustments, and as you see my CV in the previous, this is only 1 page. So if you make some adjustments here, and then you can easily make it 1 page. as you see, maybe here are smaller, and that's why you can see this. Okay, if you like this video, please share it with your friends, and I recommend you to make CVs with this format. This looks more professional, and as you see, make your CV only one page. And if you didn't like it, come back again. I'm going to share with you some other tips, other applications, especially how to use AI or artificial intelligence to make your CVs more professionally. But again, I recommend you to make your CVs in Excel. As you see, this is very, very professional, because I have worked in the HR and recruitment part, and I have read thousand CVs. I can see that only few CVs get my attention. If this was the CV from a guy from one of you, I could easily shortlist you for this work you put on this paper. So thank you so much. I wish you all the very best and good luck.